guys. We stayed last night at the Station Inn at Ribblehead. Had our food there. We never arrived till late, so it was dark, so I didn't do any recording at all. It was a bit sketchy. It was very foggy coming through all the country lanes. But I'm getting up this morning and I'm at Ribblehead Viaduct. Very, very peaceful. Currently on the Ingleton Waterfall trail. Just look at the force of that. What have we spotted in the distance over there? After doing about 500 steps uphill, we've spotted ice cream van in the distance. All of a sudden, our Nancy's got loads of energy. Just had a lovely ice cream. As we're halfway around, got just over 2 miles left there to get back to the van. So we'll see you back at the van, because we're going to make tracks before the rain hits us. It's forecast this afternoon. Enjoying that ice cream, Nant? Four and a half mile completed, started lashing down on the way back. We are absolutely dragged, but it was enjoyable. We've had another really good weekend. Hope you enjoy this video as much as we've enjoyed doing the trail.
Absolutely knackered.
Absolutely knackered. Nancy's in the front whinging that she wants a blanket. She's walked 100 yards, she's been on me back 99% of the full trail, and she's complaining. That's kids for you, eh? Well, till next week, goodbye.